Hey guys, it's me Yanni and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I DIY'd a welcome message or welcome sign for my cousin's bridal shower using boxes. Now for this DIY, I used 3 boxes that I got from Dollar Tree for free, 3 rolls of gift wrap, packing tape, paint, a paintbrush, ruler, and stencil letters. So now let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you're going to do for this DIY, or I did for this DIY, was tape the boxes shut. When taping, you want to make sure that your boxes hold firm and they're sturdy, because once you wrap the boxes and start stenciling using a pencil, you can poke holes in the wrapping paper if the boxes aren't sturdy. The next step is to gift wrap your boxes. This might have been the hardest part for me, especially with the larger box that I chose, or the largest box that I chose, just because of the dimensions of the gift wrap that I used. After I'm done wrapping my boxes, now it's time to stencil. So just get a pencil and start stenciling so you can outline what you want your welcome message to say. Because I'm my cousin's maid of honor, I was hosting her bridal shower, so I wanted to create a sign that said, "Welcome to Sai," who is my cousin. "Welcome to Sai's bridal shower." Once you're done outlining, you can go back in with your paint of your choice and fill in the letters. And I had to do this because I'm not good at freehand painting, so I needed an outline so I can color within it. FYI, this DIY should only take you like an hour to 2 hours, especially if you're not filming and especially if you don't take breaks like I did. It's actually very simple to do. Something that can make it quicker is finding another alternative to the actual message. So rather than stenciling and painting like I did, you could find some letters from Michael's, Walmart, Target, wherever, and just stick them onto your boxes. So once you're done painting, you just let it dry and it's ready to go. Okay guys, so that is it for this video and this DIY. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a note down in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe by hitting that button. Thank you guys so much again. Until next time, bye.